Hey guys, it's Amy, just back to talk to you about study resources for CLEP tests. So your student is wanting to take a test, they have a specific interest, what should you use? And I hope to do some more specific videos on these per each CLEP test coming up. So far I've mentioned to you the importance of using modern states, especially if you're looking to get a voucher that will pay for your test, and also so that you can be reimbursed for the proctor fee from the institution that you go to take the test. So if you haven't already seen my video on how to use modern states to get a free CLEP test, go ahead and check that video out. That is just the best deal to get these free CLEP tests. So use modern states, definitely. If you have a specific question about a certain CLEP test and maybe we've taken it, go ahead and put a question in the comments and we'll answer how we studied for that test. But I just wanted to mention one resource that is really important, and I'm sorry it's going to show up backwards in the camera here, but this purple book here is the CLEP official study guide. This one is from 2019. We got it on Amazon for less than $20, and this book is awesome. It has practice tests for every CLEP exam out there and also score keys. And this is the book that I have my students take the practice test out of before they schedule their test. So sometimes I'll have them take the practice test when I feel like they're getting pretty comfortable with the information. Maybe we're not completely through the curriculum that we've chosen for studying it, but they seem like they really are getting the information. Sometimes I will have them take the test just so we can see, are we getting around 60% of those answers right? I mentioned in a different video that when you get about 70% on a practice test, usually you're ready to go ahead and schedule the CLEP test. So sometimes if it's a subject they're struggling with a little more, like the biology CLEP test was somewhat difficult. The college algebra exam was a little challenging. So with those tests, I waited till they had done all of their studying before we took this the practice exam out of this book. But I wanted to mention this resource for you. You guys should pick it up. It is worth it and just a great study resource. So thanks for checking out my video. Please like, subscribe, and feel free to leave questions in the comments.